Deadlines after deadlines after deadlines, man. There is backlogs after backlogs after backlog.
Moments later.
Hi, I'm Seng Hong.
Dude, your face is really distorted because it's wide angle.
I'm not supposed to be here because it's my rest day, but somehow I'm here to be featured in this vlog. So I better be in. Okay, I better be in. Okay, I better make the final cut. Okay, I better make the director's cut.
Is this
Yeah.
Seng Hong Diaries?
Yeah, this is Seng Hong Diaries. Come squeeze together. Come,
Seng
Ruben.
Hong Diaries
Come.
episode
Dude,
1.
you
Okay.
guys are so distorted.
Oh my god, look, it's the couple that we filmed that day.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Today,
The bride and the groom.
yes.
So tell us about your relationship.
Our relationships. We are in an open relationship.
Several bad puns later.
Good morning, guys. It is 2:51. It's New Year's Eve. I have a shoot at 4 a.m. Hello. This kind of reminds me of our sunrise shoot recently. It is 3:04. Oh my gosh, this is the earliest I've ever woken up for a wedding shoot. Anyways, I'm gonna put on my usual light makeup so that I look presentable, and then I have to get to it. I don't usually eat this early or late if I actually stayed up this late, but I'm just having toast and I think I'm gonna have it with olive oil and salt, so that's on the savory side. Oh my gosh, I still can't believe I'm up. It's so early. I have to leave soon. It's 3:24. So I'm gonna have a quick bite and then I'm gonna head out. It's really hot. Do you guys think this is good? Cheers! There are actually avocados over there, but I'm really lazy to put it on here. So this is my outfit of the day. Yeah, I'm just wearing the team shirt as well as some really light cargo pants. It just makes moving around a lot easier. Okay, anyways, I have to head out now. Let's do this. Hey guys, I am back home. I'm so thankful to be home. It's almost 4:30. I finished the shoot at 3 today. But yeah, starting at 4 a.m. it's very different. I managed to nap every here and there because Seng Hong was driving to and from the location. So whenever he drove, I just kind of tried to nap in the car, but it wasn't very restful. So I'm definitely gonna take a really nice and luxurious nap. Yeah, I'm just really glad that we are done for the year in terms of shooting. Although I feel like I haven't really been resting that well because our off days are normally split apart. So we have 2 off days in a week. And I find that it's actually more restful to have it on consecutive days because the first day is normally me like getting into the rest, and then second day would be when I'm more well rested. But so far it's sort of like me trying to get the rest then having to work again, and yeah, it's kind of like taking a toll on me. So hopefully next year will be better in terms of the schedule and managing my energy and all of that. But anyways, I wanted to talk a little bit about the presents that I received from my Secret Santa. So Minghui was my Secret Santa, and we each had a list of gifts that we wanted. Our budget was $50, and I was actually really surprised that he got me both gifts that I really wanted. The first is this. It's so cute. This is a salt lamp. It actually has changing light in here, so when it's plugged in the light changes, but I actually really like it as is. It's really pretty, kind of like a Himalayan salt pink color, which I love. I'm not really a fan of the changing colors, so I like to keep it as is. The second one is my little astronaut projector. It's so cute. It projects the nebula stars here, and there's also a galaxy of stars that comes out here. Although I wish that you could change the color of the stars. You can only change the nebula color, which is a bit of a shame. And the way you do that is at the back. You've got like different buttons. So this is the on off, and this one's the nebula, changes the colors. And this is the green star patterns, which varies as you press it. You also get a remote control, which I've actually not tried. But I'm really happy with both gifts. I realized that it's sort of a galaxy theme, which was very unplanned, but I do like the moon and the stars. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Happy New Year! They need to shoot the fireworks up higher. It's so low. Yeah, finally. Yay. Oh, it's like the finale already. Happy New Year, everyone! Hello and good morning! Happy New Year! I just came back from breakfast with my family. I wore this really cute fit. You might have seen it before in my previous vlogs. I love the hat. This hat is from Kmart, Australia. I got this top online from a brand called Lovito, and the skirt online as well from Shopee. So today I'm having a really chill day because I honestly feel a little bit tired during the month of December with like different events as well as walking. So we had breakfast at a place called Alcaf Mansion. The venue was really nice, but I was a little bit disappointed because I was filming the B-roll and then I was told to stop filming because filming wasn't allowed, which is so lame. It was a huge bummer because I really wanted to feature this place in my vlog. But to be honest, the food also wasn't that great. I think it was okay. I wouldn't say it was amazing, but what was great was that we were able to spend time together as a family, and we brought Bailey along as well, which was really nice. She was so happy, sniffing around. We decided to take a short walk to Henderson Wave, which was really pretty. I love looking at the canopy of trees. It's so pretty. Yeah, she looks really tired.
Yeah,
She's the floofies. Oh. Let's go, babies. Let's go home.